Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your display name to Japanese, and I'm going to show you how to change your location in Roblox to any country that you want. Okay, so it's very easy to do. First you click on the settings in the top right of the screen. You'll have this page, and the first thing you need to do is change the account location to Japan. I've already changed this once, so I can't change it again. If you can't change this, I will show you how to change this directly after this, so stay tuned for that. But once you have changed this, you go to Google Translate. You type in whatever your name is. Let's say I want Johnny, and I want this to translate into Japanese. You find that. This is Johnny in Japanese. You go into your name and you click right here, Johnny, and you click Save. And there you go. Next time it saves, it will be saved as Johnny in Japanese. Okay, in order to change your location Roblox account, you need to click on the three little dots here. Click on the help button. Click on I need help with my account. You need to scroll down until you see all 16 articles. Under the account settings section, there should be why can't I change my account location FAQ. Make sure you read it, then select Need More Help, Contact Support here. You'll be directed to this Help and Contact page. Here your username will be auto-filled. You can fill out your first name, that's optional, but you need to fill out your email address. They will contact you through this, so it needs to be valid. Next, you want to select the device that you're accessing from. I'm going to select Android phone, and then you select what kind of problem you have. Select How To and How To Other. In the description of the issue, it doesn't really matter how clean you write it, just write it very simply that you're from this location and you want it to be changed in this location. And that is it. It will take a couple of days, but it will work. Thank you very much.